diagram. A, B, C, and G are parallel to F, D. And again, A, B, C, and G perpendicular to G, H. Then the reflex angle B, F, E is equal to 200 degrees. And C, G, D is equal to 50 degrees. I will write here. We have, that's what's looking for electricity. Good. Thank you. Yeah, this. Yeah, this. We have this again. We have this. We have this. Yeah. This is my F, which is 200 degrees. We have A here. Yeah. B, C, G. We have H. We have G. And we have E. These are parallel. And these two, they are parallel also. And again, this side is equal to this side. Yeah. The diagram. It's beautiful. This is the diagram. This is E 50, G, D, H. I have I, A, 2A minus 50. We have C, we have B. And yes, here you go. This is the diagram. Yes. So the first question, calculate the size of all angles indicated by small letters. Number 2, show that DF is perpendicular to FE. Is that the question? Yes. If you look at this diagram, we have to indicate, find the size of L angles indicated by small letters. Yes. What's one? Mm-hmm. We have two lines that are parallel. Some of the lines are parallel here. It means that we have to try to solve these small letters. Mm-hmm. And then we have triangle, where this triangle two sides are equal. The triangle is isosceles. What is this triangle? GH.
Yes.
Two sides are equal. Right?
Yeah.
And if you look at this, here it's 90 degrees.
Yes.
It means that for us to solve this unknown sign or these small letters, it will be very simple for us to start from here. And then, if you start here, it means that you are solving for A. How? If you look at this now, we have angles around the point.
Yes.
All these angles, they are added up to 360. Which means, in order for us to answer this, let's start here. We are going to have 200 plus 2a minus 50 plus a is equal to 360 degrees. What's going on? Then we have to solve for a. We have to solve for a. And then if you check this side, 200, which is on the left, minus 50 is 150. Was it right? Then you have 150 here. And you have these 2a and a. It gives us 3a. Equal to 360. Then we take 150 to that other side. You will have 3a equals to 360 minus 150. Then you subtract 150 from 360. What's the answer? Which means you have 3a equals to 210. Now you divide by what? By 3. What is the answer then? It means that my a equals to 70 degrees. And then if a is 70, here 2 times 70 minus 50. What's wrong? 2 times what? 70 minus 50. And then this is what? 70. What was important? Then if you look at this, can you see that these two, they are parallel? These two, they are what? They are parallel. It means that we have co-interior. And co-interior angles, they are added up to 180. Now, 70 plus 90. So 70 plus d, we have a plus d equals to 180. And then you have the reason of what? Co-interior. And then co-interior angle. Then if you have co-interior angle, now you have got 70 plus angle d equals to 180. Then what is angle d? Angle d. You subtract, which is 180 minus 70 is what? 110 degrees. 110. Don't forget, guys. This line is parallel, and this one is what? Is parallel. Now here I have 110 degrees. Check now. If this is 110 degrees, can you see that we have these two, which is E? And these two lines are what? Are parallel. We can use one reason here. And then if you check here, we have co again. Then this one plus this one. They are 180. Okay? Don't forget, the opposite angles of a parallelogram, they are equal. Okay? And remember, the quadrilaterals, they are parallelogram if the two opposite sides are parallel and they are equal. Okay? It means that this one is also 70. Okay? Then, which means D plus E equals to 180 co-interior. Okay? Or they are opposite because these things like now the parallelogram. Okay? Two opposite sides are what? Are parallel. Which means this angle E is what? 70 degrees. Okay. If angle E is 70, can you see that we've got Z shape, which is alternate. Look, this line pass through, and this line is parallel. We can draw a Z shape. Okay, God. If you draw a Z shape here, it means that this angle C is also equal to what? 70 degrees. It's also equal to 70 degrees, which is what? Alternate angles. Don't forget to state the lines that are parallel. Then if you are saying these two, they are alternate, it's because of these two lines are parallel. Which means we have got Z shape. Then, if you look at this angle C, it can give us B. What's going on? We can get B. Because this B is a vertical opposite angle. With what? With C. What's going on? It means that this B is also what? 70 degrees. Just imagine that sense. They give you this. Virtual is very, very difficult. Okay, now we have this angle. Let's continue. This angle here is 90. And we have what? 50. In order to get 90, we are left with what? 40. It means that this G is what? 40. And this triangle is what? Isosceles. Adjacent angles are equal. Which means even here is what? 40. And the sum of angles in a triangle equals to 180. It means that you are going to say 180 minus 40 minus 40. You'll get what? 100. It means that my age is what? Is 100. What's what? Which means, you guys, math is difficult. Math is difficult. But, number two, you're going to see something like this one. Something like this one exam. Of watching, let me see math. Oh, math is difficult. Okay, now, let's look at this one. Let's look at this one. How to calculate this this one, this I here. This I. Guys, don't forget. I think this I. But if you look at this, now, how to find the I? It means that I, if you're not sure whether we can solve it using this triangle, and then it means that we can start from anywhere. Okay, how? If you start from anywhere, I can just take this one as a straight line. If this one is a straight line, and I is here. But the problem is I have this angle. Okay, what is it? Remember, I have what? 50 here. Those what is it? Then if we have 50, which is on this triangle. So follow. But I have 70 here. What was what? Okay, guys, tell me 180 minus 70. You can 110. 110. Do you agree with me when I say these angles, they are angles on the straight line?
Yes.
Yeah? And they are what? Here is 110. Also God? Okay. Okay. If here is 110, okay? You agree with me when I say this is a triangle? Yeah? Yes. It is a triangle. Yeah. Do you know that the sum of the angles in the triangles, they are 180?
Yeah.
Interior angles. Yeah? It's 180. It means that if I add with this one, I'll get 180. Let's see. 110 and 50. It's one what? 167? And which means it's what? It's 20. Oh. Alright? Then it's 20. Alright? Do you agree with me when I say this is the line? And the angles on the same line, they are equal to 180. Which means 180 minus 100 minus 20. 6, right? Oh, it's what? 6. Everything here is spoken what? But in exam, I mean, next week, people don't be, hey. Very difficult. Difficult. Don't forget, if you check your exam papers, it starts from here. You find that those who are failing, they don't even know this. But if you know everything here, I'm telling you, you're going to pass. Okay. Let's take the next question. That's the one. Show that DF. What is DF? D. What is D? Oh, D. This one. And D and F. What is F? DF. And DF is what? Perpendicular to what? FE. Okay. So that DF is perpendicular to FE. Where these two lines intersect, there is what? 90 degrees. Also done? Okay. Let's check it. Guys, you want to know the angle of this? My 8 is 70. Can you multiply 2 times 70?
140.
140 minus 50.
90 degrees.
Huh?
90
90 degrees?
Yeah.
It means that this is 90.
Yeah.
Which means the answer is true.
Yeah.
Angle DFE. Alright? Angle what? DFE is equals to 90 degrees. Also gone. Therefore, DF is perpendicular to FE. Done. What's wanted? Which means you have to know these kind of things. Go for it. Which means if you know this, I'm telling you, you won't have problems. Go for it. You won't have problems. Don't worry, Mr. Mabodi is going to do copies for you, and he'll give you more problems. Go for it. To do. And then when I will do more problems about this. So go for it. You will see triangles, different triangles with what? Parallel lines again. And then you solve those angles. Go for it. Then I know that after this, when you write the 2, you won't have any stress. Go for it. Remember, I tell you have analytical geometry. Okay? Analytical geometry. Then you go to trigonometry. Okay? That one, you know, they 10, they do, they just make sure they what Sokatoa, Choshaka, those stuff. Then you do again this part. This is very simple. Very, 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 very simple. Then let's continue. Similarities. Then after quadrilaterals, we are going to talk about so many things. Gaussian theorems. Okay. Quadrilateral.